Okay, so it is Wednesday, July 2nd, 2025. And I'm gonna do startup and shutdown of my downstairs 2007 1.5 ton Trane XL14i heat pump. Last what was it? I can't even remember. It was March. It was the end of March, March 30th. I did a startup and shutdown of both of the units. But I just wanted to do another startup and shutdown. I just wanted to say, I haven't done many videos of these two units because, I've been focusing on the units over here since there have been two change outs, and stuff. So, yeah. I will be back here, in the first week of August. So, yeah. And I'll do this one, in the next couple days or so. But I just wanted to do a startup and shutdown of this one right now. So yeah, I'm gonna go put my camera on the tripod, and I will be right back. Alright, so there was the startup. I wonder how it sounded. I think, remember back in March, yeah, last time I was here, the GM interrupted the compressor for a couple times, but, it's been working really good, since I was here last, so, yeah. I think it actually has an Alliance scroll compressor, not a, clamp tough, one of the two, I don't know. It has a Gentech fan motor. Gotta get a picture of it. Okay. Alright. That's RE22 refrigerant. It's a 1.5 ton from February of 2007. So, yeah, again, I'll do this one another day. I'm not gonna do it today. But, yeah. It's really windy, so the machine's not blowing a lot of air at all. I don't know if the unit has a leak or not down in that corner down there. I'm just gonna say this one has a Gentech ECM fan motor, which is pretty cool. But yeah. Yep. Tried a new setup today. So wonder how it turned out. And yeah, this thing is working really good now. Well, it was a little sweaty. Now it's not anymore. I don't know why, but yep, there's the section line right there, the liquid line. There's the reversing valve. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna go shut it off now. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright, so there you go. Startup and shutdown of my 2007 1.5 ton Trane XL14i heat pump. So yep, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.